Welcome back to the cocktail blog. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Aperol Betty from the Spritz cocktail book. So Talia and Leslie, I'm really sorry, I'm not 100% confident with pronouncing your surnames. If you've seen any of my videos before, I'm terrible at pronouncing anything new. So this particular cocktail, nice simple recipe, as with a lot of these recipes in this cocktail book, featuring Prosecco, nice and delicious. It's a bit of a bittersweet cocktail. It's featured at another bar, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll link to the bar in the description below. Make sure you check out this book because it's really quite interesting. There's a lot to read in there, a lot of new recipes. Everyone's used to just the traditional Aperol Spritz. There's tons of recipes in here, and there's a lot of food as well to pair with those particular recipes. So this one's nice and simple. Start off with 60 mils, so 2 ounces of Aperol. And then to that, I'll fill the glass with ice. Then 1 ounce, 30 mils of fresh orange juice. And half an ounce, 15 mils of ruby red grapefruit juice. Just squeeze it in. Roughly 15 mils. Then top it up with 90 mils, 3 ounces of Prosecco. Give that a quick stir. Tad more ice. And garnish with ruby red grapefruit. The Aperol, the grapefruit, gives it this really beautiful color. It looks absolutely delicious. So there you have the Aperol Betty. Cheers. That is really, really tasty. And to be honest, that would give the Aperol Spritz a run for its money. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.